Welcome to my channel. Would you please ring the little bell, subscribe, and give this a thumbs up if you are enjoying watching any of these videos. This one is going to be about how I watch YouTube. Hi everyone, I'm going to do a quick little video about how to enjoy YouTube videos more for those of us who are, well, I'm not new to YouTube. I'm new to learning about the tips and tricks to make YouTube watching more enjoyable and to get more out of it. I'm going to give you 3 tips for YouTube beginners. If you know everything you need to know about watching your favorite YouTube videos and how to get through them and enjoy them the most, then you don't really need to watch this one. Click to something more interesting. But if you're like me and there's tips that you just haven't learned yet, I'm gonna take you right over to my Mac and I'm gonna show you on my own channel, because that would be cheating to show somebody else's if they don't really want me talking about this. So I'm gonna show you what I mean. The 3 tips that I'm gonna show are playback speed, and also the subscribe and the notification bell, what those mean, and also how to work on playlists, and also the search bar. So let's get started. So the first tip that I'm going to show you is playback speed. This was really important to me when I figured this out, because some people, including myself, can just ramble on and on. That's why we do YouTube. We like to hear ourselves talk. No, I'm kidding. We do YouTube to try and, share things that we enjoy. And this helped me enjoy videos so much more and get through more videos. Playback speed can be found. I hope you can see this. Let's see. You go over to your video and let's go full screen here. And let's go to, can you see my mouse right here? Don't know if you can. Let me see if I can get this right down here. Hopefully you can see my mouse is down here at the bottom. There's a little wheel. When you click on the little wheel, a menu will pop up. And if you see playback speed, you can choose normal, click it, and let's say that I'm talking really, really slow and boring. You can go and speed it up. You can say, okay, Marjorie, you need to talk a little bit faster. So let's click on 1.5 and see what I sound like. Don't laugh. Okay.
Hi everyone, this is Marjorie. This is going to be a tutorial, hopefully not a comedy. This is going to be my very first attempt to try putting on magnetic.
Okay, and then let's say that you're watching this and I've said something 3 times and you're just not quite understanding what I'm saying. So let's put it on slow. Let's move down here to something that's a little more interesting at least. Oh, I don't know. Let's try this area right here and see. Is it still on slow? We're going to go to the settings, click the settings button. Okay, speed, playback speed is 0.75, so it's going to go slower than 1, which is normal.
Little magnifying mirror here. So what I have here is a little set that I got. I think I got them on Amazon. They're called a crown.
Okay, that was especially boring. I think I prefer me on a playback speed of higher, normal or higher. So anyway, playback speed, that is, one of the biggies for me. And the reason for that, my husband says, well, why would you want to slow a video down? And I said, well, there are some videos that you, like if I'm watching something, especially perhaps maybe a craft video or something, and I've watched it 3 times, or even a YouTube tutorial on how to work on my Mac, how to do something new that I don't understand. I may, sometimes I used to just go back, but I wanted to talk a little slower so I can do it right along with them. So I really like the slow button, playback slower. Okay, so that's the setting for playback speed. Now then, let's look over here again and we're going to go to we're going to make this a smaller screen here, and let me try going to home, the home page. Perhaps there's somebody I'm not a subscriber to, and let's see. Well, I'm a subscriber to almost everybody here, and maybe, okay, I'm probably not a subscriber to, I might want to be a subscriber to this. Let me look and see if she is. Oh yeah. Okay, so this is Tips to Stop Overeating, How I Lost 183 Pounds. Well, she sounds kind of interesting. So here's the subscribe button. Do you see this right over here? I'm kind of moving my mouse around so you can see the little red subscribe button. When you click that, it's free to subscribe. Now then, when you have this little bell here, I click that, and I have a choice of clicking on all or personalized or none. If I don't want notifications, I just want to have her saved so I can look for her myself, then I would click none. And if I only want to hear videos that are about this particular subject, overeating or dieting or whatever, I would click personalized. And it says down here, you'll get personalized notifications. And then of course, if you click all, then that means you're going to get all of her notifications when she uploads a new video. I'm going to click personalized because I haven't really checked her out. So anyway, once again, that is what the subscribe bell, and it means you can find your favorite channels when you have a subscription to them. And playlists. Okay, there are playlists. Some channels have playlists, and the purpose of a playlist is, let's say I'm watching a video about beading, and I really don't want to watch her do videos about her life and her puppy or her grandchildren or whatever. I mean, not that I don't enjoy those, I do, but perhaps I want to just see beading videos that she's uploaded. And you go to their home page, and right there next to home there's videos. Whoops. You want to see that, don't you? Okay, so this is my home page, and right here it says home, videos, and then playlists. So you click on playlists, and here are my playlists. Now, some of these are private because this is my channel, and some of them are, for instance, I have an awful lot of my actual playlists that are public are Beauty for Mature Ladies, Keto Lifestyle, Dan and Marjorie's Chats, my Amazon seller journey, and let's say you're interested in keto recipes and food, or keto success and failures. You can view the full playlist. There's 15 videos. You can play them all consecutively, which I don't recommend. I recommend just going and looking at the videos that look interesting to you. For Vlogmas. Okay, Vlogmas, day 1. That was my first video on the playlist, and so anyway, so you can see what that's about. And then the last thing I'm going to show you is the search bar. Okay, we're going to go back to home on my channel. And
hi, I'm Marjorie. Welcome to my channel.
Yeah, welcome. Right at the end of this home, videos, playlists, community, channels, in case I have multiple channels, about me, and then also there's a magnifying search glass here. When you click on that, you can type in, let's say, keto, because I did many keto videos. So I'm going to enter that. Oh, look at that. Up pops all of my keto videos that I've done. Oh, and let's say you want to, let's erase keto and go for Amazon, in case you're interested in selling on Amazon, which is a new thing for me. But, oh look, Amazon. And then of course, anyway, you get the idea. That is how all of those little bells and whistles on YouTube. I don't know what your favorite one is, but one more thing. If you're new, and I mean, if you're a YouTube user, you probably know this, but if you go to the videos page, this is my video home page, you can sort by, let me get this video out of here. You can sort over here on the right when you're in the video section, not the home page, but you scroll over to the video section. There's a little thing that says sort by. You can click on that and you can click to my most popular videos of all time. And that would be my rustic Christmas house tour or how to lose 50 pounds on keto. Or you can sort by my oldest video. Oh my goodness, I don't even want to show anybody this. 9 years ago. No, don't go there. And, I mean, I looked better, but I didn't know how to do videos very well. And then, of course, the date added, my newest is my Vlogmas. So, there you have it. My favorite tips on how to navigate YouTube. Number one, playback speed. So very important if you just want to get through your favorite videos, and some people just talk and talk slowly, and they have a lovely voice and they're really enjoyable, but you just want to get to the end of that video so you can find out what they've got to say at the end, or you just want to hurry up and go to the grocery store. Playback speed, or slowing it down for tutorials and for better understanding of what they're saying. Subscribe, ring the little bell, make comments, thumbs up. That's always an important one for the YouTuber to keep wanting to do more videos for you. And then also the playlist. That's a new one for me on my channel. I have been organizing my videos into playlists because they are nice. If you're on somebody's channel and you go, wow, I want to hear more about that, and then you can scroll down and find their playlist section, or go over to their home page, and it's the second one over, home, and then, home, videos, playlists, I believe. And the search bar on each channel. Each channel has its search bar where you can search within that. So those are my favorites. And the one at the end, I think, the searching the channel, is the one that was the newest to me, which I thought was interesting. So I enjoyed all of these tips, and I hope that they help you. And let me know if you have some other tips that I haven't learned yet about how to navigate the YouTube world as a viewer. These tips are geared for a viewer. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, ring the little bell, and give it a thumbs up. Let me know, comment and let me know if you've got some tips that you'd like to share. Thanks for watching. Bye now.